Joining us right now, first on CNBC, is ARK Invest CEO and CIO Cathie Wood. Cathie, it is great to see you. It has been a heck of a month. It's been a heck of a 2 years. It's been a heck of a 5 years, frankly. We've been talking sort of about all of it. But also, I know you have some new ideas about what's going to happen this year and maybe some of your best ones. But before we get to that, I'm just sort of curious your broader context in terms of how you're thinking about the market and how you're thinking about your own performance, both in the January period. We've got the Fed, the backdrop of the Fed is part of that, but also just the larger backdrop over the past couple of years.
Sure. I think what we've been through is a very big inflation and interest rate scare that hit long duration assets incredibly hard, including long-term bonds. Last year, the worst performance in the bond market since the 1700s. That's how bad this was. And of course, that was going to really hurt our strategies. But we do believe, and we have been saying for some time, that the inflation is unwinding. We think the market is leading the Fed, the bond market. I think we're down to 3.5% today on the 10-year Treasury bond yield. The bond market is basically saying the Fed is close to the end of this tightening move and is also saying that inflation will surprise on the low side of expectations, which means when we look back that the past 2 years inflation issue and interest rate issue has been a function of massive supply shocks to the system. And I noticed that even Janet Yellen this week said that she believes that inflation is probably going to surprise on the low side and stay there and might even become a problem. Larry Summers, same thing. He's saying, wait a minute, the economy is much weaker than I thought. So I think we're close to the end.
So you think Jay Powell is going to, and in terms of the language Jay Powell might use later today, you think it's going to be a little softer rather than sort of a hawkish tone?
You know, I have no idea. I don't know. I've been surprised at how unanimously this Fed board has voted, given how weak its own Federal Reserve Bank districts are, according to their own reports. So I don't know. I do know that the market is leading the Fed. And I also know that innovation solves problems. And we have a lot of problems now, including the Fed being so tight and activity becoming so weak in so many areas. So, you know, we put out big ideas last night. These are our big ideas 2023. Very excited. And the first one you see there is artificial intelligence, which, of course, ChatGPT has finally caught the public's imagination. We've been working on artificial intelligence for a long time now. And I think some of the things we're seeing are just the beginning of the impact that artificial intelligence is going to have on every sector, every industry, every company.